got the technicals, you know we got the projections. Longbow's that PvP build guide, and we already are aware of when the skill's obsolete, but it's for PvP fun. You know what I mean? Longbow's that PvP build guide. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. Longbows that dominate the universe build guide, combined with resting the flip siding. Longbows that PvP, you know they never see me coming build guide, but they find us. They can't assume, they can guess, but they find us. But they find us. But they can try to do the same thing, but they find us. And they can try to do the same thing, but they find us. And they can try to, and they can try to, and they can try to do the same thing. Longbows like PvP, we can scare you if you want us to build guide. That's relevant to whoever it affects, okay? But now that I'm aware of it, I can be informed about it, and we do have control over. Longbow's that PvP build guide, and I can control a whole lot of skills, but he can control my connections. But she can't control my different skills, and those humans, they've got so much faith. And they can control a whole lot of skills, and those humans they can learn from. They can figure out how to master a whole lot of things, and they got a whole lot of faith, too many skills. And they learn, and they can master different beings. They can figure out how to control a whole lot of things, and they got so much peace too. And we have control over plants.
We have control over skills.
But we can figure out how to master skills. And we have control over plants.
We have control over skills.
But we can figure out how to master skills.